Hello YouTube here, this is Lisa Marie Stade here, the YouTube channels of Lisa Stade and of the other YouTube channel of Hitler Obsessed, giving you and continuing the doing of a bunch of videos for the lecture series of the life and death of Adolf Hitler. This is part 11 of part 2 of part 11. Now where I left off was Hitler's little first position, his little job until his meeting in the circus crowd. Eventually, yes, Hitler at this time didn't think of himself as that charismatic somebody in Fuhrer. He'd eventually try to leave the Nazi Party because his viewpoint was they were not doing a whole lot of stuff that he wanted, which was pretty much in the end was just making him in complete control and letting him have his way with everything. Eventually they said no and Hitler decided to say, you know what, I'm leaving. So he decided to pretty much, I guess you could say impeach. But he's not in power and leader in that party yet. He's just a lowly propaganda minister. They end up sending a smear campaign calling him a Jew and stuff. And to what the Nazi Party originally was in the DAP, yes, they were still anti-Semitic back then. When it was the DAP, they were that way. Before, during the NSDAP, the whole timeline, they definitely are still anti-Semitic, racist, the whole smash, the whole 9 yards, as they say. So Hitler would leave and they would give a little smear campaign, and eventually the party membership started tanking somehow. They noticed this wonderful correlation that once Hitler left, people started leaving. That meant that they lost members. So they thought, oh no, we have to let him back because he makes the money. So they let Hitler back and they said, fine, we'll let you be the Fuhrer. We'll give in to all your demands. And Hitler had one of these demands being the 2 guys that founded the German Workers' Party had to leave their positions and give him complete power and they had the respect of Hitler's authority. His word was pretty much law. Heck, the guy's mere existence was law in that party back then. And so yet again, Hitler got his way, just like always.